Hi guys, today we had the 5th evening of our annual wine education course and I'm together with Jessica, one of the members. And yeah, maybe you can tell us a little bit your impression, what you learned so far or what is special, so I give the word to you.
Yes, today it's the 5th day we are together and it's every day it's special, and today we make the Greek wines. They have a really different taste, and for me the most special thing is that I think always we have at least one special wine you cannot buy in nowhere because it's from the private cellar from Armin, and so it's really a special way to share it with us.
I appreciate, and so your glass is over there, but I will give you another one. So yeah, and in case you still are not joining our course, you can also buy a ticket for each single evening, and yeah, just come to the next one. Next one will be sparkling wines all over the world. Cheers!